Oh, here. Of course, they have food. Yeah, it's open. Let's see. Wow! Come on out. Come on out. Yay! There is 3 Lego packs. Or even a stickers and booklet.
TK. What TK, Clay? What TK?
Sticker.
Sticker?
Lloyd.
What's that?
Lloyd.
Yeah, okay. I don't know him.
There is 3 Lego packs.
Okay.
I'm gonna ask my father and mother to
Father and mother. Brush your teeth.
I think it's clear. Yeah.
Why there are 3 packs?
Yeah, but that's simulan.
Oh, see? Too much, oh.
It's like 1,000.
What 1,000?
What?
1,000 miles?
1,000 miles. Hey.
So we will build this one. All this?
Yes. I built this one a
Nice.
week ago. I'm building one more set. More plastic. How many minutes am I going to build this?
I don't know. I will help you.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
What? Someone
I think so. Oh, nose blood.
Look, see? Even the instructions are wrong. Alright, let's
Instruction pa lang. Solve ka na.
Alright, let's build it.
Okay, I will help you building it. Okay, where are we now? Still the same. We're just starting.
The figures.
Because it's too much. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Kids play and learn.
It's learn. I'm stuck. Wait, I'm stuck. I hope you're enjoying our unboxing and Kids play and learn.
Yeah, we are enjoying.
Bye.
I guess I hope you enjoy it too.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. This.
Let's start with this one.
Alright.
Okay. We will all do this.
Alright, box and
Will take
unpack
time.
one.
Let's start. Okay, now we just finished the 3 guys.
Yes. All of them are.
Yeah, you can play it for now.
You know.
Okay, while we are building the dragon. This is the dragon that we are going to build.
Yes.
Okay, now we're done with this. We are going to combine this two with here. To make it like this. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay. Okay, show me.
I think it's like this.
Yeah,
Oh
that's
my
right.
gosh. It's getting more bigger.
Yeah, okay. Let's continue. Everybody now is tired. I think we are going to finish this tomorrow or next year. My goodness. Very hard, very long.
It's okay.
Let's continue. Let's see. I think we are not able to fix this all with the dragon. This is not the dragon. Dragon Katol. Come on, I need to find this.
Come on.
I need to move on.
Okay.
There's always moving on, right, kid? I don't need it. I need this one. I need to move on
Okay.
so we can continue.
Oh, not that one.
What did you find?
Find this one longer.
No, not that one. Kasi kanina pa tayo. Ang hirap talaga maghanap ng buhay sa gitna ng mga patay. I like this. Ito lang. Isa pa lang nakuha ko. Okay ka. Where is it? One by one. We need to check one by one. See? You're now playing with the characters. Help me!
Okay. Wait.
Wait, what wait?
Divide. Hi. Let's divide.
Hi!
Ah.
I found it! Here! Oh my goodness! There is a saying, you will not able to find it if you are using your No, your mouth. So we have to use our eyes.
Yeah.
We found it, mommy. Now we can continue. Okay. We're only here. Play. Not yet, play. Not yet. We're only here, oh. Going to pause for a while. See? Ito lang nagawa natin.
What's on the body?
Because we will eat chocolate. Wow. Very nice. Mommy, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Wow.
Only one.
Over the first part, now I think it's the tail.
Yeah, it's the tail. This is the one, right? See? Flanking boy. Okay, we'll proceed to the second part, which is the the head. Okay. Mommy will continue and KIDZ mom will continue the
Yeah.
second part, which is the tail and the head. Okay, mom? It's done? Oh, yeah.
It worked. Wait.
So the tail now is...
Whoa, wait.
You think it's done, Clay?
Stop.
Not yet done. We're still building the other part. I think the head.
This, see?
So there is a launcher.
Yeah, this one.
Okay. So this is the dragon.
Yeah. Now we just did this
We're
part.
building the head. Okay.
Yeah. And then what? We still have the legs. We still have the legs.
Okay.
Wow, we're done in the head. Wow.
Again.
We're done in the head.
Okay.
Go. Hello everybody. Wow, look at dragon.
Dragon. You're done with the head?
Nice.
Now the dragon is already complete without wings. Okay, now it's already fixed. I fixed everything. See? It's very nice, huh?
Yeah.
Nice kid.
Yeah.
So with the help of everyone,
So we'll finish with the Lego. So we finished this for like hours already.
yeah,
Like
it's more than
6
1 hour, right, Clay?
Yeah.
So what shall we do then?
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for Tita Marlon, Tita Rainy for this gift. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ninjago.
Hey guys, what? You have a new dragon? Yeah, I have a new dragon with 2